Okay, fantastic. Now we set everything up in ClickFunnels. You got your funnel. And as I told in the previous lecture, now it's time for us to actually make the most out of the visitors you will send to your secret affiliate machine. Because, if you just calculate, like you send 1,000 people to your secret affiliate machine, okay? Then 500 people will be interested in your offer and will put in their email address to continue to step number 2. Now, out of those 500 people, maybe 100 or 50 will decide to actually sign up with ClickFunnels, okay? Now that's awesome, but what about those other 400 or 450 people who put in their email address but didn't end up signing up with ClickFunnels? You need a way to follow up with them, because otherwise it's just, basically lost ad spend. You spend some money on getting traffic to your secret affiliate machine, or, we got free traffic options too that we go through in this course if you don't want to spend money on getting traffic. But anyway, you have those opt-ins, you have those email addresses of those people who obviously were interested in you and what you had to offer with the secret affiliate machine. But for some reason, they didn't sign up with ClickFunnels, and now it's the time for us to actually make use of those emails and send them an automated auto response, a follow-up sequence that basically encourages them to go back to the secret affiliate machine, walk through it, and sign up with ClickFunnels, okay? And the best part is you don't even need to create those emails, because I created them for you, and you can just copy and paste the same emails I use and I send out to my opt-ins who, opted into the secret affiliate machine, and they're optimized to convert people back to the system and convert them back into actually creating their own ClickFunnels account, okay? So this is what we're going to do, and this is how you technically implement it, okay? So the very first step you're going to do is you are inside your ClickFunnels account, okay? And you're going to click on this icon next to ClickFunnels, which says Actionetics, okay? You click on this one, and the first time you'll see unlock Actionetics in your account. And this is Russell Brunson again, okay, the founder of ClickFunnels, explaining you all about what Actionetics can do, okay? So basically it's a service within ClickFunnels that sends out emails, to people who opted in to one of your funnels. In our case, it's the secret affiliate machine. So if you want, you can watch that video. It's informative, so you will know how to use Actionetics in detail, but you don't need to, but I recommend you do it. And once you did that, you can click on Access Actionetics in your account now, okay? So you click on that. So once we're inside of Actionetics, you will see that we have 0 contacts, 0 lifetime contacts, and 0 unsubscribers, okay? Of course, because this is a brand new account. Now, what we want to do in the first step is set up an email list, which is basically just a group of email addresses that you collect when visitors visit your first page of the secret affiliate machine, right? Where they need to put in their email address in order to submit to go to step number 2 in the funnel, okay? So the email list is going to aggregate all of those email addresses, and we can basically direct messages to that email list. So everyone on that list, every single email address gets the email we will set up in just a minute, okay? So the first thing we want to do is go to the left-hand side where it says email lists and click on that. And as you can see, there's no results because this is a brand new account. So we're going to go to the right-hand side where it says add new list and click on that, okay? And it asks us for the name of the new email list we want to set up. So let's just name this one Secret Affiliate Machine, okay? And now for the group tag, we're going to do the same and do Secret Affiliate Machine, okay? And click on it so it groups it, right? And the next step is going to create new list. So we click on that, and boom, we have our first list, okay? So we defined our list. Now we need ClickFunnels to know that, people who put in their email address and submit to step number 2 in your secret affiliate machine get added to this list. Okay, we need to connect those two. And that's what we're going to do in the next lecture.